Next question. Second one. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Solution. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 implies y is equal to 2. When you divide this equation by square root of 0 square plus 1 square, that is 1, it will not make any difference. Therefore, this equation can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 2. Cos of which angle is equal to 0? Cos 90 degree plus y into sin of which angle is equal to 1? Sin 90 degree is equal to 2. This is in the form of x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. Therefore, theta is equal to 90 degree and p is equal to 2. Third one, x minus y is equal to 4. Solution. X minus y is equal to 4. This number is positive. Let us say this equation as 1. Dividing equation 1 by square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to root 2. We get 1 by root 2 into x plus minus 1 by root 2 into y is equal to 4. This implies cos of which angle is equal to 1 by root 2? 45 degree. But cos must be positive and sin must be negative. This is possible in only fourth quadrant. Therefore, this equation can be written as x into cos 360 degree minus 45 degree plus y into sin 360 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 4. This implies x into cos 315 degree plus y into sin 315 degree is equal to 4. When we compare this equation with x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p, we get theta is equal to 315 degree and p is equal to 4. Fourth question. Find the distance of a point with coordinates minus 1, 1 from the line 12 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y minus 2. Solution. Given equation is twelve into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y minus 2 implies 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10 implies 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. Say number 1. Therefore, distance of a point with coordinates -1, 1 from line 1 is equal to, using d is equal to absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by square root of a square plus b square, we get absolute value of 12 into -1 minus 5 into 1 plus 82 divided by square root of 12 square plus -5 whole square is equal to absolute value of -12 minus 5 plus 82 divided by square root of 144 plus 25 is equal to absolute value of 82 minus 17 divided by square root of 169 is equal to 65 divided by 13 is equal to 5 units. Next question. Find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. Solution. Given d is equal to 4 and x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1, this implies 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Say number 1. Let x comma 0 be the point on x-axis at a distance of 4 units from line 1. Using d is equal to absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square, we get 4 is equal to absolute value of 4 into x plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by square root of 4 square plus 3 square. This implies absolute value of 4x minus 12 divided by square root of 16 plus 9 is equal to 4. This implies 4x minus 12. When we wanted to get the value of x from absolute value symbol, so we have to take plus or minus. Either you can take left side or right side, it will not make any difference. Plus or minus 4 into 5, that is 20. This implies 4x is equal to 20 plus 12, or 4x is equal to minus 20 minus 12. This implies x is equal to 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. This implies x is equal to minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, required points are 8, 0 or minus 2, 0. Next question. Find the distance between parallel lines L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0 and L into x plus y minus r is equal to 0. Solution. Here A is equal to L and B is equal to L, because this equation can be written as Lx plus Ly C1 is equal to P and C2 is equal to minus R. What is the formula? D is equal to absolute value of C2 minus C1 or C1 minus C2, square root of A square plus B square. Therefore, distance between parallel lines is equal to absolute value of P minus of minus R are taken absolute value of C1 minus C2 divided by square root of L square plus L square is equal to absolute value of P plus R divided by square root of 2L square is equal to absolute value of P plus R divided by, this can be written as root 2 into root L square, can be written as absolute value of P plus R divided by square root of 2 into square root of L square, can be written as absolute value of L. This is nothing but as 1 by root 2 into absolute value of P plus R divided by L. Seventh question. Find equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point with coordinates -2, 3. Solution. Given equation is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Say number 1. Slope of line 1 is equal to 4y, you can send that side, you will get 3 by 4. Or if equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope of that equation will be minus a by b. Since required line is parallel to line 1, therefore slope of line parallel to line 1 is 3 by 4. Therefore, equation of line parallel to line 1 through point with coordinates -2, 3 is y minus y1, that is 3, is equal to 3 by 4 into x minus x1, that is plus 2. This implies 4y minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 6 by cross multiplication, implies 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Or we can follow another method. Given equation of line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Say number 1. As you know, when lines are parallel, you will not find any change in the coefficients of x and y. Only there will be change in constant terms. Therefore, equation of line parallel to line 1 be 3x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Say number 2. Since line 2 passes through point with coordinates -2, 3. Therefore, 2 implies 3 into -2 -4 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. This implies -6 -12 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 18. Substituting k is equal to 18 into 2, we get 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Eighth question. Find the equation of line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and having x-intercept 3. Solution. Given x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and x-intercept d is equal to 3. Slope of line 1 is equal to, what is that? 1 by 7 therefore slope of line perpendicular to line 1 is equal to minus reciprocal of this slope, that is minus 7. Say m. What is the equation of line when slope is given and x-intercept is given? That is y is equal to m into x minus d. Therefore, equation of line with slope minus 7 and x-intercept three is y is equal to minus 7 into x minus 3. This implies y is equal to minus 7x plus 21 implies 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0 is the required equation of